This is seventh video for the chemical reaction and equation. In this video, we will discuss what is decomposition reaction. How we will define it? A reaction in which एक ऐसा reaction in which a single substance, a single substance we consider one single substance broken down, split into भी लिख सकते हैं, broken down into two or more simple substance is known as decomposition reaction. एक ऐसा रिएक्शन जिसमें एक सिंपल सब्सटेंस को हीट सप्लाई करके, लाइट सप्लाई करके, while supplying light or while supplying electricity, broken this substance into or more simpler substance. That kind of reaction is known as decomposition reactions. Suppose it is that AB is a substance, A and B, a single substance, and whenever we supply heat, light, electricity, it broken down into two or more simpler substance. That kind of reaction is known as decomposition reaction. Any doubt? Now we will take your book and see activity 1.5. What is 1.5? In 1.5, it is taken that FeSO4, ferrous sulfate. Whenever, before that, we just try to understand three kind of decomposition reaction takes place. First one is thermal decomposition. Second one will be electro decomposition, and third one will be photo decomposition. Three kinds of decomposition reaction, that is thermal decomposition, electro decomposition reaction, electrolytic या electrolytic लिखिए इसको, electrolytic decomposition and photo decomposition reaction. And now we are discussing about thermal. Thermal ka means heat is supplied. In this heat we are supplying heat. Whenever ferrous sulfate taken in a test tube and we started to heat it, इसको heat करना शुरू कर देते हैं. It is in a solid form. Then it will, what will form? Fe2O3, ferric oxide, sulfur dioxide, and sulfur trioxide. This one will be in a solid form, and this will be in gaseous form. From activity 1.5, we have discussed that a single substance, that is FeSO4, is taken in test tube and we supplied heat with the help of a burner. That it split or broken down into three other substance known as, and this kind of reaction is known as decomposition reaction. We will take one more example which is given in our NCERT book, and we have just get that things in last video, that is CaCO3, calcium carbonate, limestone is heated. Then what it will form? Again it will split into CaO and CO2, that is quicklime. Here a single substance split when heat is supplied, and whenever a heat is supplied, it broken down into calcium oxide and carbon dioxide gas. Two different substances are formed. Now we will take activity 1.6. Activity 1.6, which is given in our NCERT book. That is PbNO3 whole twice lead nitrate. Whenever a heat is supplied, then what it will form? Whenever heat is supplied, that it again split into three different substances, that is PbO, NO2 and O2. These equations are not balanced. You have to balance it by yourself. आपको balance करना है. While balancing, you can able to improve your balancing capacity. Okay, I just giving what are the things were formed. Whenever PbNO3 is taken in a test tube, and when it is heat, when heat is supplied means thermal decomposition taking place. Thermal decomposition part कर रहा है. Whenever heat is supplied, then it broken down into PbO, NO2 and O2. Through this example, we can easily say that from a single substance, एक single substance से two or more different substances are formed, and that kind of reaction is known as decomposition reaction. And these examples belong to thermal decomposition. Now we will take electrolytic decomposition. Electrolytic means supply of electricity. Whenever electricity is supplied, then decomposition takes place. That kind of reaction is known as electrolytic decomposition. Electricity supply होगी. We have to take what in our NCERT book? We have just take one mug. Mug लेना है. We have to take rods, cathode and anode rods. Here anode means positive charge. यहाँ पर टेस्ट ट्यूब लगा देना है. Here cathode, it means negative charge. We have to fill it with water. इसको पानी से भर देना है. It should not be pure water. Pure water नहीं होना चाहिए, because in pure water no free electrons. So we should make it acidic. That it should some free ions, so that electricity can be passed. Whenever electricity is passed, then oxygen is a non-metal. It captured here at the anode, and in here, that is cathode, it's a negative charge, and here oxygen will be, gas will be seen. The ratio, as we all know, that formula of water is H2O. Here 2:1 will be the ratio of gases. 2 ratio will be hydrogen gas and 1 ratio will be oxygen gas. And this decomposition H2O split हो रहा है 2 part में, H2 and O2. Here one single substance is broken down into 2 different substances. That kind of reaction is a decomposition reaction. And in this decomposition reaction, electricity is passed. Electricity has been used. So it will be called electrolytic decomposition reaction. Now we will take one more example, that photo decomposition reaction. Photo, what does mean? Photo means what? Light. Photo means light. Whenever we will take in our book that in activity 1.8 AgCl, what color it has? Silver color. Whenever we take this silver chloride in sunlight, silver chloride को किस में लेंगे हम? sunlight में, then it decompose into Ag plus Cl. Ag into Cl. Here also a single substance broken down into 2 simple substance. We take AgBr. Whenever it put this one in a channel dish in sunlight, it broken down into 2Ag and Br. this decomposition taking place in the light, so this kind of decomposition is said to be photo decomposition reaction. These are the three parts of decomposition reaction.